So Jess, tell me, how is the modular build going?
Well, they're absolutely flying through it. Obviously, one of the best things about the modular build is that they're built in a factory. But with the modular home, it's all built in the warehouse. They take it to site and they just crane it into position. So it's just the way of the future.
I mean, on electricity, the way of the future is electrification, and we're very lucky to have this beautiful Jaguar I-PACE lent to us by Melbourne City Jaguar today. EVs are the way of the future, and fundamentally for an EV to be effective, it needs to be able to plug into a home that is purely powered by solar power, renewable energy, and then to be able to have enough energy from that solar power system to be able to power your car, you really want to be using as little energy as possible in the actual functioning of your actual home.
And I think the way of the future, Rosh, is we're probably going to see these electric vehicles being able to use as a source of energy when you are maybe going to your modular home.
Absolutely. Bidirectional charging is certainly the future. I think it's only South Australia right now that allows it. But if you consider how big the batteries are in this car, this particular battery will power a standard home for 3 days. So really, when you consider, as long as this car is fully charged, it can power your home for 2 to 3 days. On top of that, you've got a solar power system on the roof that's producing the energy that you need throughout that daytime. For me personally, what I'm most excited about is getting at home at night and just pulling out my smartphone and that controlling the entire home. And then you can really incorporate smart home automation, your blinds, your lights, your air conditioning. You can literally just be driving home right now and program your home to have the air conditioning come on. If it's boiling hot, or if it's freezing cold, get your heating on.
Well, I was terrible growing up, Rosh. I would always leave the bathroom light on, the bedroom light on, and it wouldn't be until I come home 12 hours later that Mum would go, "You left your bathroom light on again." But obviously with the full smart home, control it from your app, you don't have those problems. You can turn all the lights off, even if you're not at home. You can turn the washing on because you can be checking your solar system on the roof, and when you're generating the most amount of power, that's when you can turn to choose your appliances.
Oh, look, absolutely. It is very, very exciting, especially if you're like tech nerds like we are, because you know how cool the technology it can be. And then once again, just understanding that by having all this cool technology in the palm of your hands, you're also saving the environment because you're reducing your carbon footprint significantly. So you've literally got the perfect home.